Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up After Effects for rotoscoping hair edges, full guide step by step clearly. Open Adobe After Effects and create a new project. Import your footage by selecting File and then Import. Drag your footage into a new composition. Select the layer containing your footage in the timeline. Duplicate the layer by right-clicking and selecting Duplicate. Rename the duplicated layer to Rotoscope. Select the Roto Brush tool from the toolbar. Zoom into the area where hair edges need rotoscoping. Draw a green stroke along the hair edges you want to keep. Adjust the green strokes as necessary to refine the selection. Press the spacebar to let After Effects analyze the footage. Monitor the Roto Brush's progress in the viewer window. If inaccuracies occur, use the red subtraction strokes to remove unwanted areas. Switch to the Layer panel for more precise adjustments if needed. Use the Freeze button to finalize your Roto Brush selection. Once frozen, adjust the mask feathering for softer edges. Go back to the timeline and check the results of your rotoscoping. Fine-tune by modifying the mask shape and feathering settings as necessary. Consider adding a slight blur to the edges for better blending with the background. Lastly, export your project by navigating to File, then Export. Select your desired format and settings, then click Export. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.